Hey guys, welcome back to Deluxe Guitar Songs. Today we're going to be going over Top by Fredo Bang. It's in standard tuning, and I'm using my Fender Stratocaster with the TC Electronics Poly Chorus on the flange setting. Before we move on, I just wanted to thank you for coming back to the channel. Thank you for your support, subscribing to the channel, liking the videos we're doing, and leaving me comments and feedback. Please continue to do so, and let me know what other songs you'd like me to put on the channel as well. We'll get them up as soon as possible. Thank you. So, we're going to zoom right in here. We're on the 5th fret of the B and the G string with your index finger. Just do downstroke on just the G and the B. Second note is adding your middle finger to the 6th fret of the B string. That's the first phrase. Second position, he goes from the 5th fret down to the 1st fret on the high E in the B string. So he's just barring the 1st fret of the high E in the B string, and then he adds his ring finger to the 3rd fret of the B string. That's all. The guitar playing in that song is a really nice little riff. You put it on that flange setting and it has a really nice sound to it. So I hope you enjoyed the guitar lesson today. Please like, subscribe, share. Come on back to the channel. We have new guitar tutorials weekly. So we look forward to seeing you again. Thank you.